Guys, just now I got off from a call with one of my students who had booked me for her personal guidance and doubt clearing session, and all we discussed about was overthinking. This student of mine has just recently joined college and she was like, Bhaiya, I am going crazy with my life. There's so many things that are happening. Ek to new city, new place, new people. Then I have to make friends, then I have to do well in my career. Plus I'm missing my family and home. मतलब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ. The moment I got off from the call with her, I sat with myself and I realized कि यार overthinking एक ऐसी चीज़ है that everybody goes through in their life. No matter what stage in life you are at, चाहे आप 11th and 12th क्लास के स्टूडेंट हो, या आप कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर चुके हो, या अगर आप कॉलेज खत्म कर रहे हो, या even if you move ahead in life, you're looking for a job, you started something in entrepreneurship, you're going for higher education in India or abroad, overthinking ऐसी चीज है that everybody goes through. Guys, I will not lie, I have been a victim of overthinking my own self. Specifically during 2018, 2019, I was a crazy big overthinker. मतलब अगर आप लोग मुझसे तब मिलते तब आप बोलते कि भाई ये बंदा पागल है, मतलब हर चीज के बारे में इतना ज्यादा सोचता है, मतलब ये खुश भी रहता है कि नहीं रहता है. और उस समय ना स्पेसिफिकली व्हेन आई वाज लीविंग कॉलेज, व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग एट अर्नस्ट एंड यंग, मुझे मजा आता था ओवरथिंक करके. मुझे लगता था अरे यार बाकी सारे लोग तो बहुत केयरफ्री हैं अपनी लाइफ में, ये लोग बस बिंदास चिल टाइप के हैं. आई नीड टू थिंक अबाउट एवरी डिसीजन ऑफ माइन वेरी सीरियसली. आई नीड टू वर्क रियली हार्ड. आई नीड टू लुक एट प्रोस कॉन्स, मतलब पूरा इन डेप्थ इन चीजों के बारे में जाना है और हर चीज के बारे में रगड़ो जाते एक ही चीज को बार बार सोच के मुझे मजा आता था. बट देन वन इवेंट इन माई लाइफ चेंज्ड एवरीथिंग कंप्लीटली. दैट वाज द पैंडेमिक 2020. ऑब्वियसली अकेले मेरी लाइफ में नहीं, सबकी लाइफ में बहुत तगड़े तगड़े चेंजेस लेके आया. आई वुडंट हैव बीन a content creator my own self. I wouldn't have been an educator my own self if pandemic hadn't happened. I was supposed to go abroad. I had my masters planned. Everything was done. But then one event changed everything. And 1 or 2 years post that, na specifically जब मैं घर पे बंद रहा 2020, 2021, I had a lot of time with my own self. And after that, probably I think I have stopped overthinking. Or I'll not say stopped overthinking. Again, मैं गुरु नहीं बनना चाहता. I still overthink. I'm not a pro at it. But I guess I've reduced my level of overthinking. And that is because of a certain few things that I have practiced. Now guys, if you are watching this video right now, I'm pretty sure you are going through some kind of overthinking. आप लोग करते हो, चाहे small level पे हो, चाहे bigger level पे हो, और somebody near and dear one to you overthinks, which is very very normal. Just be relaxed, guys. This is not a very to-do list kind of a video. Do yoga or go hit the gym or hit 10k steps. Everything will be fine. Yes, all these things really matter, but I am going to be going even on a base level of that before you start doing these activities or come out of your comfort zone or use your physical self. I feel there are a lot of things that you have to do internally to be really fine and to reduce the level of overthinking, and that is what I'm going to be talking to you guys in this video. Guys, I have divided how to beat overthinking in 5 different ways. All these things have worked for me sometime or the other, and I want you to listen to all of them and use them whenever it is possible to you. Trust me guys, just watch this video till the very end. आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, because मैं अपने personal experience से बता सकता हूँ my level of overthinking has literally reduced a lot in life by practicing these 5 things. और ये कोई 5 things मैंने किसी बुक से नहीं उठाया है या मैं किसी से सुन के नहीं है, मैंने खुद एक्सपेरिमेंट किए हैं टाइम एंड अगेन. ऑब्वियसली आप ये वीडियो बनाने से पहले आई जस्ट थॉट अबाउट कि मैं इनका क्या नाम दूंगा और इनको कैसे समझाऊंगा आप लोगों को, बट आई हैव ट्राइड दीज थिंग्स माई सेल्फ एंड इट हैज रियली हेल्प मी. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट सडनली वन डे ये सारी चीजें आपकी लाइफ बदल देगी, सब कुछ ऐसा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. बट वेन एवर पॉसिबल कीप दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड एंड ट्राई वेन एवर यू कैन. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट विल हेल्प यू. इफ राइट नाउ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो विदाउट अ पीस ऑफ पेन एंड पेपर, क्विकली गो गेट दैट and make a note of these things that I'm telling you, वरना मुझे पक्का पता है आप ये सारी चीजें बाद में भूल जाओगे. I don't want this video to be one of those videos जो आपने फट 1.5x 2x में करके देख लिया, okay I'm done with it, एक लाइक भेज दिया और एक किसी के साथ शेयर कर दिया. If you don't want to share this video, it's absolutely fine, but I want you to watch this video fully and make notes of the things that I'm telling you. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first way of how you all can beat overthinking is silence and time. Guys, the truth is most problems aren't solved with more thinking, they are solved with less thinking. Guys, you'll find answers to most of the problems in silence. देखो मेरे साथ पता है क्या होता था, whenever I used to overthink ना, कोई भी मेरे से आके बात करता था या उस चीज के बारे में मुझे बताता था, I used to get really angry with them and I would shout at them. I was very short tempered in that nature कि मैं किसी से भी लड़ लेता था, किसी को भी चिल्ला देता, कह रहे तेरे को नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे बस समझा, ये मत कर, वो मत कर. And even when my parents would come talk to me, I would shout at them. But after a while I realized if there is a problem that doesn't have a solution, I should stop trying to find a solution for that. And what I used to do is I would stop reacting, number 1. Number 2, I would always take time. Sit in silence and just take time. Rather than thinking something or talking to somebody about it, मेरे को लगता था मैं अकेले बैठ जाता हूँ, and I used to call it in my own mind, sleep on it. So अगर कोई भी decision लेना है which you don't have to take immediately, guys, I want you to sleep on it. आधे घंटे की टाइमलाइन डाल के, 40 मिनट्स की टाइमलाइन डाल के, 1 आवर की टाइमलाइन डाल के कि अभी अभी आंसर बताओ, I don't think so that works for me, and I'm pretty sure it won't work for for you as well. Rather, if you have like 6, 7, 8, 10 hours, sleep over it, think about it on your own in silence with all the clarity in the mind, and then take a decision and then try solving a problem. Trust me, you'll come back very strong. When I was working at Ernst & Young bhi hota tha, when my managers would, be really at me, I would give back to them and, I would shout with them and all that. But then when I would sleep over a decision or sleep over a project or sleep over some idea, next time when I would talk to them, I had a lot more clarity, I had a lot more empathy, and I guess that really helped for me. Second thing, guys, and this again is very, very important, acceptance is peace. Guys, no amount of anxiety will change your future, and no amount of regret will change your past. Peace is found in acceptance. Yes, guys, this happened with me in college. When I was in college, I would see people, different kinds of things, different kinds of backgrounds. Some of them have traveled the world, some of them have the most expensive cars, some of them have the most expensive phones, and मुझे लगता था कि यार मेरे पास ये सारी चीजें नहीं है, and I would, just blame my parents for it, or I would, I wanted those things, so I would try doing, shout with my parents, लड़ता था उनसे, and I would just realize कि oh ये नहीं है, and sometimes, there was an internship opportunity which I didn't get, so I would get really angry with it, कि यार मुझे क्यों नहीं मिली, and this and that, everything like that. But then I realized, if you accept the things and your current scenarios, you are at a way better position. Guys, you have to accept that you all are not perfect. You have to accept that you cannot control everything, and there are a few things that are unpredictable in nature. पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैं इसमें रिजेक्ट कैसे हो गया, मैं इसमें फर्स्ट क्यों नहीं आ रहा, मेरे इसमें फुल मार्क्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे. But then I realized that सारी चीजें मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. No matter I try doing my best in everything, I cannot control everything. I cannot control every result. And trust me, there are people who are better than me, and that is okay. Like, I should learn from them. I should get inspired by them, but just not. I shouldn't just challenge them and or blame my parents for it, or blame my background for it, or blame somebody for it. I don't want to be in that blame game, and that is the reason I realized there is so much acceptance and peace. Rather than trying to tackle any decision, लगता है ठीक है यार, अभी आप जहाँ पे हो, अब यहाँ से आप कैसे बेटर कर सकते हो. You give your best, you do your best, and then जो होगा देखा जाएगा. ये नहीं कि अरे मैं फर्स्ट क्यों नहीं आया, मेरे मार्क्स क्यों कम क्यों नहीं आए, उस लड़की ने मुझे रिजेक्ट क्यों कर दिया. None of that. Third thing, ask yourself an important question. Guys, whenever I would criticize myself for the past mistake or seeing something that I've done wrong, I would always ask myself this question: is there anything that I can do right now to change the past or predict the future? If the answer was yes, I would take an action immediately. If the answer was no, I would leave it then and there itself. Guys, those are only the two things जो आप कर सकते हो. या तो आप किसी चीज के ऊपर एक्शन ले सकते हो, या आप किसी चीज को एकदम छोड़ सकते हो. If you do anything beyond that, which again is overthinking, you are self-harming yourself. So please make sure you have enough clarity with yourself. Ask yourself this question, because trust me, हम में से कोई भी जाके past बदल नहीं सकता है और future fully predict कर नहीं सकता है. So, and that is how life is. Talking about self-harm, fourth and the most important point, avoid self-rejection. अब guys, मुझे नहीं पता आप लोगों के साथ ये चीज होती थी कि नहीं, but trust me, I have been a disaster for my own self. Like, I would self-harm myself to another level. I would always be in the mode of self-rejection. मतलब मुझे लगता था मैं कहीं पे भी लाइफ में पहुंच गया हूं, that is just because of luck. I don't deserve to be there. So if I'm hanging out with very good friends, I'd just be like, hey guys, ये लोग तो बस मेरे को फॉर्मेलिटी कर रहे हैं, मेरे को अपने साथ रख के, they genuinely don't love me. अगर मैं किसी कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट आ गया, मेरे को लगता था ओ गाइस ये तो बस मैं तुक्के से फर्स्ट आ गया, I just didn't deserve to be here. अगर मैं कॉलेज में मेरी एडमिशन हो गई तो मुझे लग रहा था भाई this is just because of some luck that I had, and I always would have this imposter syndrome. Trust me, and this again is there till today as well. Imposter syndrome is there. I obviously don't self-harm myself to the next level, or I don't self-reject myself to the next level, but imposter syndrome used to be there. तो मुझे लगता था ये सब कुछ जो मेरी लाइफ में अच्छा हो रहा है वो बस लक के कारण हो रहा है, एंड जो कुछ भी गंदा हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में, I deserve that. I just deserve it. I don't know why. मतलब I obviously wake up at a good time, I have a good routine, I am working hard, but मुझे लगता था जो भी कुछ गंदा हो रहा है I deserve that, जो भी कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है I don't deserve it, ये बस तुक्के से मिल रहा है. अब अगर आप लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा कुछ होता है, please comment below and share your stories in the comments so I can read about it and we can share it with one another. But self-harm is really very bad, and trust me, इसका peak version मैंने कॉलेज में देखा. Whenever nice girl would come talk to me, I would just be like यार ये तो मेरे पे बस फॉर्मेलिटी कर रही है, she's not interested in me and things like that. All exactly ऐसा होता है. मेरी जॉब लगी, मुझे लगा यार ये तो लक के कारण हो रही थी, उनको तो बस सीट्स भरनी थी इसलिए हो गया. All of that I used to do, and that used to be very self-deprecating in nature. Guys, the most important thing is please don't be in a mode of self-rejection. I'm not saying you guys are perfect and everything is great in your life, but just don't self-reject yourself to a level where your confidence just comes to zero. और बहुत बार बच्चों के साथ ऐसे होता है कि वो पहले मस्ती मजाक में अपने आप को सेल्फ रिजेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं imposter syndrome वाले पे, but then after a while they realize कि अरे यार बहुत लोग तो बहुत आगे निकल गए and I literally am not good at anything. So please don't do that. Another thing in self rejection is we feel feel that others around us think a lot about us. That is not true. हमें लगता है कि यार लोग क्या कहेंगे, या वो लड़की मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे, या मेरे दोस्त मेरे बारे में क्या सोचे. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, सबकी लाइफ इतनी बिजी है आज के टाइम पे, एंड सब आज के टाइम पे इतने सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हैं कि उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं कर रहे हो. सो आप जितनी लोगों को इंपॉर्टेंस देते हो ना, उतनी देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दे डोंट नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ एन इंपॉर्टेंस. फोकस ऑन योर लाइफ, फोकस ऑन योर फैमिली, फोकस ऑन योर फ्रेंड्स. दैट्स इट. दैट्स मोर देन इनफ. और कुछ ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्लस एक चीज जो मैंने लाइक द वे आई रिड्यूस सेल्फ हार्म इज आई वेंट ऑन फॉर अ फैक्ट चेकिंग विद माई सेल्फ. जब भी मुझे लगता था ओ आई वन दिस बिकॉज ऑफ लक, आई वुड रियली फैक्ट चेक, एंड देन बाद में जब आई वुड रियली फैक्ट चेक, मुझे लगता नो यार, आई डिड वेल, दैट इज व्हाई आई वन दिस, और आई डिडंट डू वेल, दैट इज व्हाई आई फेल्ड एट इट. इट इज नथिंग टू डू विद लक और माय बैड luck and all of that. Fifth and the last thing, health starts with your mind. Now guys, like I told you at the very start of this video is not about go hit the gym, take a walk, all that. See, you guys can go to the gym, eat healthy food, do yoga, drink water, take vitamins, but if you don't directly confront negativity in your thoughts, you will never truly be healthy. I don't remember this guys, but I was reading it somewhere and this still is in my mind. Health isn't measured on scales or by the size of our muscles or by the width of our waist. True health is measured by the quality of our thoughts and the peacefulness of our minds. Guys, doing yoga, hitting the gym, all that is very important. Have a good routine for yourself. Please take out enough time from your very busy routines, no matter whether you're in college or in schools or you're working for somebody or you have your own startup, you're burning the midnight oil, everything is fine, but please make sure you have time for yourself. Along with that, avoid negative thoughts as much as possible. ये negative thoughts ही हैं दिमाग में जो इतना सारा कांड करके चले जाते हैं, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता. पहले मजा आ रहा होता है नेगेटिव सोच के, हमें लगता है हम स्मार्ट है कि हम सारी चीजें सोच रहे हैं, बट देन आफ्टर अ व्हाइल वी रियलाइज कि ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स ही हैं व्हिच आर स्टेइंग इन आवर माइंड. ये मेरे साथ बहुत होता था, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी यूट्यूब जर्नी एग्जांपल, राइट? मतलब इतने सारे लोग हो, आप लोग मेरी वीडियोस देखते हो, शेयर करते हो, मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे रीच आउट करते हो. सो मेनी ऑफ यू टेक एजुकेशन फ्रॉम मी, सो मेनी ऑफ यू टेक माय गाइडेंस, सो मेनी ऑफ पेरेंट्स कम टॉक टू मी. मतलब ये पेरेंट्स हैं मेरे से 20 30 इयर्स बड़े हैं, बट ये लोग भी मेरे से बात करते हैं कि कवच बताओ यार, व्हाट शुड वी डू फॉर आवर सन, व्हाट शुड वी डू फॉर आवर डॉटर. बट आप में से कोई एक बंदा नेगेटिव कमेंट कर देता है एंड दैट जस्ट स्टेज विद मी. और नेगेटिव कमेंट कैसे होंगे? अरे तू कैसे बोलता है, अरे तेरी नाक कैसी है, तेरा वो कैसा है, अरे भाई इंग्लिश में बोल, भाई हिंदी में बोल, ये कर भाई, लीव यूट्यूब, डू दिस डू दैट. एंड दैट कमेंट वुड जस्ट स्टे विद मी लाइक इट्स printed, you know, in my brain. Even though I try to avoid it, but I still feel that it's there, and that is the reason you all also have to block negative thoughts from your mind. I try doing it as much as possible. Perfect मैं भी नहीं हूँ, but I just wanted to share all these real experiences with you so that whosoever is watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're a certain percentage ahead in beating overthinking. It's an ongoing process. In case you've come at this video till now and there are certain points I have not covered which you think can also help beat overthinking, guys, please comment below. I'm pretty sure it will help a lot of people who are watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी. अगर अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज यार एक thumbs up कर देना. Do comment below and let me know what other kind of videos should I make. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you later. Take care guys. Bye.